takeaways of today's session and event?
Yeah. The world is going through an unprecedented period of uncertainty caused by geopolitical strife, fragmentation, muscular industrial and trade policies, and financial volatility. Within this, bystander nations like India and developing nations are suffering because of global policy, global spillovers. This conference is all about how to forge pathways out of this uncertainty into a newer world where there is more stability and possibly more prosperity for all countries.
World trade, given this, the US tariff and all that, and also this weaponizing tensions by some countries.
Yes. So this is resulting in fragmentation of the trading and financial community. Earlier, there was a rule-based system. For instance, the IMF, World Bank set rules for monetary and fiscal policy. That is getting distorted. And so the world is adapting to these changes. We don't know where it will take us, but the feeling is that we will now enter into a multipolar world, not a unipolar world.
Sir, are we looking to the east because we are both looking to the west? Are we changing our...
Not really. The fact of the matter is that Asia is the world's center of gravity now. Nearly 2/3 of world growth is emanating from Asia. And it will likely be so over the next century if destabilizing forces like wars or demographic change, aging populations do not take their toll. So it is only fit that India, the youngest nation in the world and the largest, should look towards Asia where it has traditional ties, same kind of communities which emphasize kinship rather than nuclear families, same values, same savings, high saving societies. That is why India is looking east. Also, India has trade ties with ASEAN and with other nations here in bilateral forms. So it is only right that India looks east at this time.
So how do you see the growth trajectory of the economy?
If you take the period after the pandemic from 21 to 25 fiscal years, India is averaging 8% plus growth. 24-25 was a cyclical correction to the rebound from the pandemic. And as you know, in the first quarter, we are already at 7.8. So we are again reaching back to the 8% plus growth. That I see as India's trajectory.
We are the fourth largest economy in the world.
Currently fifth. This year we will become the fourth. And we are the fastest growing economy of the world, contributing 1/6 of